Okay, so here I have my pallet that has been cut in half and my wood that is going to fit over the top of that as the tabletop. And I'll screw it on there and then I'll put wheels underneath after I get it painted. Well, hi there, we're continuing the project. I'm going to pre-drill some holes in the top of this wood to attach the top to this pallet. This is going to be my table for my patio. Now there are some holes that are already pre-drilled in this wood because it was used for something else, but I'm repurposing it. And it just so happens that most of those pre-drilled holes don't line up with my wood. So I've got to put a few holes in the top of this, and I'm going to attach this top to the pallet with some number 6 screws. This doesn't need to be a major thing that I would use fatter screws for. It's just going to be a table on my back porch to go with the 2 pieces that I made out of pallets, 2 sofa table chairs. So we're just going to put that down and screw them in. These 2 holes work, they line up, so I don't need 2 more there. Now I just have to do 2 more on the end part. Now I want to be sure that where I'm drilling, there's wood underneath. Alright, so now I'm going to change my drill bit. Now some of you might not know how to change a drill bit in one of these drills. So today I'm going to show you real quick. This is a 2-part chuck, what I call a 2-part chuck. Grab the small one and twist the other one. Then you can take your drill bit out and put your other bit in and then turn it back, hold tight, and there you go. All right, let's see a bit that's down there on the floor. So I need 6 number 6 screws. I've got 1.5 inches long. Honestly, they don't need to be that long for this little job, but because it's what I have available, I'm going to use it. And I'm going to put them as flat as I can. And probably what I could do if I really wanted to, but this is going on my back patio, I'm not too worried about it. I could countersink the screws down, and it could be that my battery is going a little low. But this is thick wood, this pallet wood is kind of thick. So you would just go ahead and screw those in. Okay? They're going down below, so I'm pretty happy with that. You get the last 2. And I need 1 more. When I get to heaven, my workshop is going to have some AC, let me tell you. Alright, so now I've got my top attached to my table. The next one I'm going to do is I'll sand this up, paint it, and I'm going to attach some wheels under here so that way I can move it around on the back patio. Until next time, check out any one of my other videos on YouTube under The Teaching Lady. The Teaching Lady. You take care now. Bye. Now that I have the top assembled, it's ready for paint and ready for the wheels to be put underneath. Alright, so here's part of my table. I've got the piece that's going to go on top already cut. As you can see, I need a little help with the framing of this table. It's actually upside down, as showing. Over here I've got what's left of the pallet, and I'm going to go ahead and take some pieces from that to finish framing this table over here. And then when I get it done, that yellow wood is going to go on top, and I'll add some legs to it, and it'll be a nice side table to go in between two chairs. I'll paint it the color to match the rest of the set. And you know what you'll find is that if you pick up these pallets on the side of the road, you can make great things out of them, and it's no cost to you. You're out a few screws and some paint, but you got some nice furniture, sturdy furniture that you can make. So I'll get back with you when I make some progress on this project.